Hey, so something I've always needed is being able to export my GTM containers and just have them in some sort of tabular format, CSV, Google Sheet, or similar. So in this post, this is exactly what I talk about. I've used what Anton Entin did and essentially just perfected it or improved it, I'd say, just because there were bits that just didn't work for me. So what we're doing is we're going from this and just all of our tags, where they fire, to something like this and being able to have all that information where we can edit it, we can see what's paused, not paused, and filter and so on. So how do we do this? So first thing is pop into your tag manager container and make sure you have clicked on the tags over here. Then I want you to right click anywhere on the page and look for the inspect, and this should open up this sort of Chrome debugger tools here. Make sure you've selected console, and it should look something like this, just a blank window of the sort. Now, if this is not docked on the right-hand side, you can use these three little dots. Make sure to dock it where you'd like. It can be at the bottom. There's no problem at all. It's still going to work. Just make sure you're in console and you've clicked in on here. If you go to the article at the bottom, there's a piece of code. So just go ahead and copy all of this. I'll just right-click, copy, pop back into Google Tag Manager, and in the console, go ahead and paste and press enter. And you should have undefined, but what it's done is it's captured everything ready for us to put into a spreadsheet. You can use a normal Excel spreadsheet, which it's going to work quite well with, and I'll go ahead and showcase this. So I'll open up a blank workbook, and let's go ahead and paste. And you'll see over here that it's pasted everything in one go with CSV formats. It's not perfect. There are some manipulations you can do here, or you could literally open up a notepad editor, paste this in, go ahead and save as a CSV, and that will work. Essentially, that'll open up in the correct format. Now, if you did come in and you pasted this, Excel has some features that can break this down. So if you go to data, if you go to text to columns, and you just go delimited, and just tell it that we have a comma, go next and finish, it's going to go ahead and split these out for you. So you have all of this available here. This is only if you're copying and pasting. Remember, you can just go into Notepad, save it as a CSV, it'll work. And the same thing can be done inside of Google Sheet. So not everyone has Excel. So if I opened up a brand new Google Sheet, and something to know that if you're in the Chrome browser, you can just type sheets.new, and this is going to open up a new tool. And again, I'm going to go ahead and paste this piece of work. So I'm going to select my first column, go into data, split text to columns, and it's done it for me. So I can simply open up my columns now. I can bold this, name the sheet however you'd like, and now you have an entire export of everything you need. If you have any questions or this doesn't work for you, please do let me know. More than happy to help.